Have you ever been confused and needed someone to explain? Today's word helps us make things clear. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is clarify. Shout it out loud with me. Clarify. Let's spell it together. Ready? C-L-A-R-I-F-Y. That spells clarify. Clarify means to make something clearer or easier to understand. Here are some words that mean the same as clarify. Say them with me. Explain, like telling a friend how to play a new game. Simplify, like using smaller steps to solve a big puzzle. Clear up, like answering a question so everyone understands. Define, like giving the meaning of a word in class. Illustrate, like drawing a picture to show what you mean. Each one shows a way to make things easier to understand. Now let's look at the opposites of clarify. Confuse, like giving directions that don't make sense. Mix up, like switching the steps in the wrong order. Complicate, like making something harder than it should be. Mislead, like giving clues that take you the wrong way. Blur, like smudging a picture so you can't see it. That's what happens when you don't clarify. Here's a great example. Sofia raised her hand to clarify the instructions. She wanted the teacher to explain them clearly so everyone in class could follow along. Time for a recap. Clarify means to make something clearer or easier to understand. Synonyms: explain, simplify, clear up, define, illustrate. Antonyms: confuse, mix up, complicate, mislead, blur. Fantastic job! You clarified something so it was easy for everyone to understand. Try this today. Clarify the rules of a game for your friends so everyone knows how to play. Bonus points if you make it fun. Clarifying shows kindness. It helps everyone feel included and ready to join in. Keep making things clear, word explorers. See you tomorrow for another adventure with Word Up with Sofia.